Hi, good morning. Today we are going to start our 11th section. In this section, we are discussing some impossibility of certain construction. The first problem is doubling the cube is impossible. What is the meaning of a doubling of a cube? Doubling of a cube means the given a side of a cube, it is not always possible to construct it with a straight edge and compass the side of a cube that has the volume of that has doubled the volume of the original cube. Suppose we have given a cube, okay, like this. You can draw the okay. Okay, given a q and suppose this is of length a and we have to this research theorem says that it is impossible to construct a cube. Suppose a is one side. What about a volume a cube? So this theorem says that it is impossible to construct a cube with a straight edge and a compass, a cube with volume 2a cube. Okay, side of a cube that has a double the volume of the original cube. That means we can't construct a cube with volume to a cube. That is the result. Now moving to the proof. This is one of the important result. Moving to proof. Let the given cube has of side length 1 and hence volume 1. Okay, if we are proving result for 1, then you can easily prove the result for any a. Okay, to get a cube with volume 2, the side length must be of cube root of 2. So if a is the side length, then a cube is the volume of the cube. Doubling cube means we have to construct a cube with the volume 2a cube. So if a equal to 1, volume is equal to, we have to construct a cube. Okay, volume equal to 2 means side length must be cube root of 2. Okay. So cube can be doubled means cube root of 3 is constructible. Sorry, cube root of 2 is constructible. Cube can be doubled means cube root of 2 is constructible. So we have to prove cube root of 2 is not constructible. Okay. If you consider the polynomial f of x equal to x cube minus 2, now what is f of cube root of 2? Clearly this is 0. And f of x is an irreducible polynomial. Hence, irreducible of root 2 over q is x cube minus 2 and degree is 3. But if a number is gamma is constructible number, then degree must be a power of 2. Here degree is 3. By corollary 32.4 shows that this is constructible, gamma is constructible, implies cube root of 2, degree of cube root of 2 over q must be of the form 2 raised to r for some r. But 3 equal to 2 raised to r for some r implies that such r does not exist. Therefore, cube root of 2 is not constructible, which implies doubling the cube is impossible. Okay. Now the next result is also important. Squaring the circle is impossible. What is the meaning of squaring the circle? Given a circle, it is impossible to construct with a straight edge and compass a square having area equal to area of the circle. So given a circle, we know the area of the circle, suppose a radius pi r square, and the result says that it is impossible to construct a square with the area pi r square. Okay. So given a circle of radius 1, area is pi. For getting a square with the area pi, the side length must be root pi. Okay. So we have to check whether z equal to root pi is constructible or not. But we know that pi is transcendental over q. So root pi is also, which implies that there does not exist a polynomial in q of x for which root pi is a root. Therefore, there does not exist a polynomial for root pi over q. So, degree of q of root pi over q is equal to infinity. Therefore, using the same corollary, 32.4 root pi is not constructible. Hence, squaring the circle is impossible. Okay. Now, next is these three results are important. Okay. Trisecting the angle is impossible. An angle, suppose you have a given and you have to trisect this angle using straightedge compass is impossible. That is, there exists an angle that cannot be trisected with a straightedge and compass. To show that, we have to show that given a non-negative angle theta, it is impossible to construct the angle theta by 3. Okay. If such a construction is were possible, we should be able to construct any angle. Okay. Suppose we are assuming this is possible to construct an angle theta, then it is possible to construct any angle. Okay. Suppose you can take theta equal to 60 degree. Then cos theta equal to angle theta equal to 60 degree. Then what is the result says? This constructible means theta, if it is possible to construct theta by 3 means angle 20 degrees constructible. What is cos theta if you consider this? So this is theta, this is OA, and suppose this is B. Cos theta is OA by OB. Okay, and suppose this is of this is of one length. Then what we get? OA is of cos theta. Therefore, angle theta is constructed. Angle theta can be constructed if and only if line segment mode cos theta. OA. What is OA? Length of OA. Suppose AB is of length 1, then OA is of cos theta. Okay. So, angle theta can be constructed if and only if line segment of length mode cos theta can be constructed. Okay. So we have this result cos 2 theta equal to cos by the result. We have cos 3 theta. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. We have that result. So what about cos 3 theta? This is same as 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. For theta equal to 20 degree, cos 3 theta equal to cos 60 and which is equal to this one. Okay. So, if you alpha is equal to cos 20 degree, this equation become 4 alpha cube minus 3 alpha equal to cos 60. If alpha equal to 20, then this equation become 4 cos cube alpha minus 3 cos alpha equal to cos 60 degree, which is equal to 1 by 2. And if you simplify this, we get 8 alpha cube minus 6 alpha equal to 1. Or alpha is a root of 8x cube minus 6x minus 1. Now this polynomial q of x is irreducible in q of x if and only if it has no rational root. But the only possibility of rational roots are, what are the possibilities? Plus or minus 1, plus or minus 1 by 2, plus or minus 1 by 4, plus or minus 1 by 8. Okay, the only possibilities of rational roots are. Using that theorem, I think a naught divided by a, like that theorem you have discussed in your first semester. Okay, the only possibilities of rational roots. So if you consider these roots, clearly these are not the roots of 8x cube minus 6x minus 1. Hence, this is an irreducible polynomial over Q. Okay. Therefore, irreducible of alpha over Q is this one, and the degree of irreducible of alpha over Q equal to 3. But 3 is not a power of 2. This implies alpha is not constructible. Because therefore cos 20 degrees is not constructible. This implies 20 degrees not constructible. That means 60 degree cannot be trisected. Okay. If the angle theta is constructible, then theta by 3. If you assume if an angle theta can be trisected, this is true for any theta. So we have considered it for 60 degree. 60 degree cannot be, and here we proved 60 degree cannot be constructed. Okay. Next we have a note. An n gun is constructible for n greater than or equal to 3 if and only if 2 pi by n is constructible. Okay. And an angle 2 pi by n is constructible if and only if line segment of length cos 2 pi by n is constructible. Already we have discussed if theta is constructible, if theta, an angle theta can be constructed if and only if line segment of length cos theta, mod cos theta can be constructed. Using the same result, we have this result, and n gun is constructible if and only if 2 pi by n is constructible. Okay. If theta 2 pi by n is constructible means cos 2 pi by n is constructible. Now moving to next, show that angle 30 degrees constructible. 30 degrees constructible if and only if cos 30 degrees constructible. We know that cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2. And root 3 and root 2 are constructible numbers. So, and constructible numbers form a field for root 2 by 3, 3 by 2 is constructible. This implies that cos 30 degrees constructible. This implies 30 degrees constructible. And there is a mod P irreducible test. Let P be a prime number and f of x be a non-constant polynomial. Already you have discussed this in your first year. Let P be a prime number, f of x be a non-constant polynomial in Z of x with the degree of f of x is greater than or equal to 1. And f bar x be a polynomial obtained from f of x by reducing all coefficient of f of x mod P. Okay. F bar x is reducing all coefficient of f of x mod P. If f bar x is irreducible over set P, degree of f bar x equal to degree of f of x, then f of x is irreducible over Q. If f bar x is irreducible over set P, then degree of f bar x equal to degree of f of x. Degree of f of x, f bar x equal to degree of f of x, then f of x is irreducible over Q. That is the result. So, using this result, we are proving a regular 9 gun is not constructible. To show that 9 gun is not constructible, it is enough to show that 2 pi by 9 is not constructible. For this, it is enough to show that cos 2 pi by 9 is not constructible. Let alpha equal to cos 2 pi by 9 and alpha equal to cos 360 by 90 cos 40 degree. Okay, we have to prove alpha is not constructible. Okay, equation 1 we put theta equal to 40 degree cos 120 is equal to 4 cos this one we get, and we know that cos 120 equal to cos 90 plus 30, and cos 90 plus 30 is same as what we get is cos 30. Okay, so sorry, sin 30. Okay. So applying this result and substituting values and rearranging, we get this equation. You can write like this. Substituting sin theta. Okay. So alpha satisfies the polynomial f of x equal to this. To test f of x is irreducible, we are using mod P test. For P equal to 2, f of x is this one. And the f bar x, you can write f bar x is 8. F bar x is actually every coefficient you can evaluate as mod P. Okay. So f bar x is 8 mod 2 x cube minus 6 mod 2 x plus 1 mod 2. Okay. So what is 8 mod 2? 8 mod 2 is 0. Okay. So f bar x, what we get, 8 mod 2 is 0. 6 mod 2 is 0. 1 mod 2 is 1. Okay. So P equal to what we get, f bar x is equal to 1 here. Okay. So P equal to 2 is not possible. Now check with the P equal to, because degree of f bar x is not equal to degree of f of x. Now we check with the P equal to 3. F bar x is equal to 8 mod 3 minus, okay. So this is of the form, this is again a polynomial of degree 3. F bar x is 8 mod 3 minus 6 mod, okay. This is again a polynomial. F bar x and f of x are of same polynomial of degree 3. So the result says that if f bar is reducible over irreducible over set p, then f bar is irreducible over f is irreducible over q. So in here we are considering p is 3, so we consider set 3. In set 3 we have 0 1 2. So what is f bar 0 1? F bar 1 0. In this case f bar is not irreducible. So we are checking again with p equal to 5. In this what we get is f bar is this one, okay, and the f bar 0 is equal to 1, f bar 1 is equal to 1, f bar 2 equal to 3, and f bar 3 equal to 4, f bar 4 equal to 4. In this case f bar x has no zeros in Z5. That means f bar x is irreducible over Z5. So here we are using mode P irreducible test. Why P not equal to P equal to 2 is not working? We are started with the first prime number P equal to 2. If we apply P equal to 2, then in that case f bar x is equal to 1. Clearly f bar x and f of x is degree of f bar x is not equal to degree of f of x. So we can't use P equal to 2. Now in the next case we apply next prime number p equal to 3. In that case degrees are same, but f bar x is reducible over, because f bar of 1, here we get f bar of 1 equal to 0. That means f bar x has a 0 in set p. We can apply irreducibility test only if f bar is irreducible over set p. So set 3 is not possible. Now we are checking set 5. Set 5 elements are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are applying 8 mod 5 like this. Okay. 8 mod 5 x cube. 8 mod 5 means 3. Minus 6 mod 5. Again 5 you can write as minus 1. 6 mod 5 means 1. Okay, and 1 mod 5 1. So this polynomial degree equal, and if we put value f of 0 1, f bar 1, okay, so this has no root in set 5. That means f bar x has no zeros in set 5, means f bar x is irreducible over set 5. This implies f of x is irreducible over q by modulo p test, and degree of alpha over q is 3. Okay, therefore q of alpha over q equal to 3, which is not a power of 2. This implies alpha is not constructible. This implies cos 40 degrees not constructible. This implies that regular 9 gun is not constructible. Regular 9 gun is not constructible. Okay, now moving to next. Show that regular 10 gun is constructible. Also show that regular pentagon is constructible. So in this case we are considering this triangle. OP is of length 1 and here OA is of length 1 and this is AP equal to R and this Q. Okay. So triangle OAP, OP equal to OA equal to 1. Triangle OAP and OPA, that is triangle OPA equal to 72 degree. Okay. And note that AQ is a bisector of triangle OAP. Therefore, using this result, OP by AQ equal to AP by QP equal to, we look at the picture and write, okay. OA by AP, that is 1 by R equal to R by QP equal to 1 by AQ, which implies AQ equal to, if you consider this equation, this two equation, we get AQ equal to R triangle AOQ is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, angle O equal to angle A. So, OQ equal to AQ equal to R implies QP equal to 1 minus OQ. QP equal to 1 minus OQ. Okay, and that's equal to 1 by 1 minus R. So, applying that here, R by 1 minus R equal to 1 by AQ means 1 by R. R square plus R plus 1 equal to 0. From this R equal to this one, which is constructible because root, okay. For alpha constructible, then root alpha constructible. We have already discussed this number is constructible. Okay. Thus, we can construct an angle of 36 degree by taking a line segment OP of length 1 and drawing a circle of radius 1 at O and another circle of radius P radius at P and find point of intersection of these two circles, then angle AOP equal to 36 degree. So 36 degree is constructible and therefore a regular 10 gun is constructible. A regular n gun is constructible if and only if 2 pi by n is constructible. Okay. So 360 divided by 10 means 36 degrees constructible. A regular pentagon is obtained by starting with the vertex 1 of a regular n-gun and drawing a line segment to vertex 3. Okay, a regular 10 gun is constructible means like this. Okay, 10 sides. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. And for constructing a regular 5 gun, you draw from 1 to 3, then 3 to 5, then 5 to 7, then 7 to 9, and to 1. That means a regular pentagon is constructible. Okay. Now show that a regular 20 gun is constructible. A regular 20 gun central angle is 18 degree. Okay. 36 degrees constructible. Bisecting angle means 36 degree divided by 2 means 18 degree. Therefore, 20 gun is constructible. Show that a regular 30 gun is constructible. A regular 30 gun is for a regular 30 gun central angle is 12 degree. 36 degrees constructible. 2 into 36 degree equal to 72 degrees constructible. 60 degree already constructible. 72 minus 60 is also constructible. That means 12 degree constructible. Therefore, a regular 30 gun is constructible. It is a regular 30 gun actually. A regular one with sides 30 sides. Okay, so if we know that angle means this angle. Okay, like this. Okay, if for a pentagon, sorry, for a square we have all these are 90 degree. Okay, like this. Show that 72 degrees constructible. Angle 12 degrees constructible. 2 into 12 equal to 24 degrees constructible. So 72 by 3 degree equal to 24 degrees. So 72 can be trisected. So show that angle 72 can be trisected. Okay. Now show that a regular 15 gun is constructed. Regular 50 gun central angle is 360 degree by 15 and equal to 24 degree, which is constructible. Therefore, a regular 50 gun is constructible. That's all for this section. With this, we are completing our this section geometry construction. Okay.